Hey everyone, how you doing out there? So last Sunday I went for the premiere of The Return of Arinzo by the Queen Mother herself, Iyabo. So I just want to make my piece on the film. Is the film good? Yes, very, very good. Am I recommending it? Yes, very much so. Okay, so this.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arákùnrin yìí ó ti jáde wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fíìmù Arinzo, The Return of Arinzo. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀, ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìjà tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní movie premiere ọ̀hún lẹ́ẹ̀rin Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé àti Tóyìn Abraham. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu Ibrahim Chatta bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe lọ.
This is not me hyping rubbish or doing this for a colleague. No, I am doing this for posterity. I am doing this for good art, whatever, heart, H factor, ART. I'm doing it for it. So will the film sit you down? Will the film sit you down watching? Yes, it will definitely sit you down. So I got to the venue and I was pressed, wanting to pee. And me, I'm not this kind of person that pee in the public or in an open space. So I got to the parking lot. You know, it's an open parking lot like that, and it's there are ways for me if I'm that kind of person that would do it out there, but I'm not cut out for that, so I couldn't. So I went in. On my way in, I met Femi Adebayo Salami, the king of boys, his brother Wali, and his younger brother, Ibrahim, who is a very good friend of mine. So we got in, we were greeting people, greeting our elders and veterans, and I didn't get the chance to go to the loo. So I sat down, and not long when I finally sat down with those people that I came in with, the film starts to show. Let me tell you, Ibrahim, Femi's younger brother, said he was pressed too. At a point, we wanted to go out to find the restroom and do our thing, but I could not go. I was there from the start of the film to finish. Iyabo and all of the cast and crew outdid themselves. Wallahi talai, this is not me just saying things. This is The Return of Arinzo is a very good movie. From the transition, you know, the transition of everything, the transition and okay, so this film Arinzo, the first one was made some years ago, but like Iyabo knew she was going to do the continuity of that film. Like she knew. If you see the way the transition just muffle into each other, like I don't know how to explain this. Like the film was made like last year or yesterday or last month, and they knew they were going to continue this year, this month. Like that. It muffles in. You cannot see back anymore. So I need to tell you some things about the film. Wallahi Ta'ala is the film you should see. It's a very good, the film is in fast pace. Fast pace, the film, you like it. I am very sure of that you love the film. Quote me, go there, go and watch it. So, if I have to talk about the actors now, Mercy Aigbe, I'm gonna act. Okay, I've worked with Mercy Aigbe and I've seen a lot of her films, but this one, the drilling, Iyabo, yes, yeah. Mercy, my friend Benson, Funke, you know that one now. Oh God, the casting is very good. The way she brought people in to do this for her, she got it right on point. And I must talk about this new act. It's a style. When I say new act, I mean in this space. Film space in New Lua. I don't know if Iyabo kept that guy in a house and made him rehearse through all the About the case, you say, but you know, that guy is so on point. 10, okay, 100/10. 10, he carried 10 in his score. That guy ate everything with no crumbs left. Ineolua. I haven't seen him like that before. You see, I see his kids, I see his engagement with, other thing, fashion and stuff. But acting, like that guy, like that guy was made to just come on board to do that particular role. You killed it, but anything. So another person I want to talk about. Anybody that knows will know that I'm a big fan of Wura Gomez Scarlett. She doesn't have to do much. That babe, she's a bomb. She didn't do much role. And there's this person again. When after the film, I went to the loo. And initially I asked Femi when we were seated. I said, is that not Abazi? Abazi is this person. Okay, you don't know. Abazi is this person in our industry, like a chairman, like EP, like the person that supplies our equipment. So I've never seen him act before. Then I was asking Femi, I said, She Abazi koni yeni? Ton she PA Messi Aigbe yeni? He said no. So when we got into the restroom, I saw these people that came wearing the name that has Abazi. I said, so guy you call Morinu film. And they said, yes. I said, God! He played the role of Anthony in the film. Abazi is fantastic too. Everybody, Yoruba, Zainab, everybody. So please, me appealing to you now, not for because Iyabo is a colleague, but because of good. Sherry, why I'm doing this is if you guys do not go out there to watch good films, we know there are bad films. We all do know that there are bad films. I have a lot of friends that are not into Yoruba films and Nigerian film generally like that. They would tell Ibrahim, like him, I will film. These people are business kind of people that they don't even have chance to sit down and get engaged with watching our films. I know, because sometimes some of our films are not very good. But when we see good film, I like to talk about it so that you people will help the industry grow. The only way to help, you cannot go out and be dashing Iyabo money now. You can see from the film that she put a lot of money into that job. So please go out there. I'm appealing to you now. Go out there. The film is very good. And another thing I should talk about, I think this is the first time Iyabo is making our own, directing our own film. Well directed though. Before now, people will be saying gender equality, give women chance. Boys in our industry, okay, Femi Adebayo, kudos to you. Kole Afolayan, my oga, respect. Younger people like Kayode Kasum, like Niyi, Baba Dudu, the man with the magic touch, and a lot of other people like that. They are doing amazingly well. Nesai they are wow. But what are you guys doing? These women are taking over from Jadi Oshiberu to Kemi Adetiba to Mami Bolani Austin Peters. Funke, she's been directing her stuff for some time now. Toyin, who is a very good director too. Now Iyabo again. Go and see the film. Go and see the film. So now, I'm appealing to people. Boys in this industry, before it used to be, chances. Now they are taking all the chances, please go out there. The film is now streaming, showing nationwide. Everywhere you are in Nigeria, you can see the film. The Return of Arinzo. Iyabo, Queen Mother, kudos.